You're looking at a tweet from someone claiming if your VSL is over 5 minutes long, you've lost the attention battle. Meanwhile, Daniel Fazio is quietly making over $1 million per month with a 40-minute VSL. Right now, business owners are wasting countless hours repeating the same sales pitch over and over again, losing deals because they can't be there 24/7 to answer prospects' questions. I analyzed Daniel's 40-minute VSL and created an AI prompt that allows you to script a VSL for your own business, and I'm giving it away all for free. So the first thing you're going to want to do in order to craft the perfect VSL is head over to Claude.ai. If you've never used Claude before, it is a really good writing AI tool that you can use. It's way better than ChatGPT and all the other AIs. The exact model we're going to be using is 3.5 for this video. So just make sure you have your Claude set to 3.5. The next thing you're going to do is head over to the description. There's a link there exactly with this doc. In this document, I crafted a prompt that's really powerful and it'll literally script your whole VSL for you. So all you have to do is hit Control A, or if you're on a Mac, hit Command A, Control C, you're just copying it, and then head over to Claude and hit Control V. Now what it's going to do is it's going to ask you a few questions. Now you can go through this and answer these questions by yourself. Another way to do it, which I think is the best way, is go over to your business website or whatever VSL you're trying to write for whatever business. Go over to the website. If you have a really good written website, I'm going to be using one of my prospects. His name's Abdullah Ghaffar. This is one of his businesses. This is AK Callers. So I'm going to be using his business as an example here. So what you do is you want to open up another document, like just a Google Doc. This is what's called as a swipe file. So what I did is I Controlled A and I Controlled C. All of the information in his website, I went through all the pages, just Control A and Control C, making sure to get everything from his website here. I even went down and he has a few testimonials on YouTube.
I'm here with
clicked through them.
Brad. He's one of
And if you go into the description, you can show transcripts, Control A, and then you'd be able to copy the transcripts. So that way you can put testimonials and real results in your VSL. So once you go to this and you have everything copy and pasted here, this is literally a 50-page document. Just hit Control A, Control C, head over to Claude, and just paste it. And say, use this swipe to answer those questions. It might ask you one more question, like it might just say, like, based on the information, this is what I was able to find. Just read through it, make sure it's the right information. If you want to add anything, definitely go ahead and fix that information. But this seems to be all the right information for AK Callers, so I'm going to hit yes. And then after I hit yes, it's going to give me the VSL script. So it just crafted me my own VSL script for AK Callers. So even if we just like go through this, reread it a little bit, like you'll see that it's written very well. Attention business owners making $30,000 or more per month. Are you tired of wasting time and money on unreliable overseas callers who can't properly represent your business? Like you'll find that like the way it's written, it's true and it's 100% like correct. One more thing you can do, which I do a little bit when writing script, is like check for any holes. This is a really good question to ask Claude whenever you're writing anything. It'll analyze like a few holes and then you can go through everything it's found and then ask it to fix it. So you can prompt it a few more times if it isn't correct. But like then it'll go in and it'll literally fix the information for you. Here's the truth. While you're struggling to write the perfect video sales letter, your competitors are already booking calls with your ideal clients through YouTube. Every day you wait is another day of leaving 10 to 30 qualified calls on the table. Another day of potential clients choosing someone else because they found them first on YouTube. But here's the thing. You don't have to figure this out alone. Click the link below and let my team build you a complete YouTube sales funnel that consistently adds 10 to 30 qualified calls to your calendar every single month, or you don't pay. We handle everything from market research and content strategy, converting video scripts and hooks, professional editing and thumbnails, and a full channel optimization and management. All you need to do is show up and record. We handle the rest. Stop leaving money on the table. Your competition is not waiting, and neither should you. Book your call now using the link below. Hey, what's going on, guys? So Daniel just posted his video. My video is currently still getting edited. So by the time you're going to see this video on YouTube, his one was already just posted. So I'm just gonna direct all this traffic to go check out his YouTube video over here. And I'll link it in the description of the video too for you guys. Peace.